I am studying UKG. My project is tool surrounders.
What are the tools you have? Show me.
Hammer, buttons.
Yeah.
My name is Karthi. I am studying years. My school name is Eurokids. Today I am telling you different types of landform. First landform is desert. Desert is full of sand. No water plants. No water plants. No water animals. No water cactus. Hi friends, my name is Shavya, and year 6.
Okay, what is that?
Forest, ocean, arcade, desert,
Tell me desert animals.
candle, snake,
What is that plant?
plant,
Okay, tell me forest animals.
lion, zebra, tiger, giraffe, elephant, bear.
Wow, very good.
Planet and it has wings with icy germs and that color is bluish green. And Neptune is solar large planet and it has wings we don't see and it is called planet in the solar system. It has icy rocks. Thank you for listening.